Have you ever wondered why shellfish prices are going up? It could be due to ocean acidification. In this video, we're going to discuss what ocean acidification is and how it may be impacting shellfish populations. So, what is ocean acidification? Ocean acidification is defined as the process by which the lowering of the pH of seawater occurs due to elevated levels of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide has been added significantly to the Earth's atmosphere since the Industrial Revolution due to the use of fossil fuels. On average, the Earth's oceans can absorb about 1/4 of the carbon dioxide emitted by human activities. As you can see by the graph I have over here on the right, as dissolved carbon dioxide is added to the ocean, the pH starts to decrease. Though it may appear that the pH is not decreasing rapidly, this may have drastic effects on the world's oceans. Ocean acidification can have multiple environmental impacts. One of the most notable impacts is the consequences on different shellfish populations. Ocean acidification has been found to significantly alter the gene expression in juvenile lobsters, causing changes in the genes related to calcification of exoskeletons and the immune system. Altered gene expression related to the calcification could affect the proper development of their exoskeletons, resulting in weaker or improperly formed shells, making the lobsters more susceptible to injury and predation. Changes in expression of the immune system genes could mean that lobsters lose their ability to fight off diseases and infections. The weakened immune system response could make them more vulnerable to pathogens. These photos show how ocean acidification is currently impacting shellfish populations. On the left is a lobster with extensive shell disease. Shell disease is common when lobsters are in a vulnerable state, likely molting because their shells are weak. If ocean acidification continues to alter their gene expression for calcification and weak immune system, lobsters may not be able to fight this disease. The photo I have over here on the right shows oyster shells exposed to different pH levels. As you can see, the shells become weaker and smaller as the pH lowers. Many economies depend on shellfish, and ocean acidification is heavily impacting the fishing industry. There was a study conducted in the United Kingdom to predict the economic impacts. It is predicted that by the year 2100, there will be an economy-wide economic loss of shellfish production in the UK. The direct potential loss ranges from 14 to 18% of the fishery output. That is a total loss of about 23 to 88 million British pounds. The economy losses varied regionally due to the different patterns of wild-caught shellfish and the exploitation of species. The figure I have over here on the right shows the value added to the UK economy from shellfish fishing. As you can see, there's a significant amount contributed to the UK economy from shellfish fishing. So, what can we do about this? How are scientists coming up with solutions and actions to this problem? Scientists are trying to produce potential solutions so extreme impacts on the economy do not come true as predicted in the previous slide. Some shellfish hatcheries in Oregon and California in the US have begun adding a buffering solution to their seawater during production. Adding buffer to the salt water acts as a neutralizer for the carbon dioxide concentration causing the decrease in the pH. As you can see in this picture I have over here on the right, the hatchery is adding the buffering solution to act as a neutralizer. But what about oceans as a whole? Are there solutions for that yet? Scientists aren't too sure about that. More monitoring of the ocean to understand ocean acidification needs to be done before mitigation measures can be put in place. Thank you for listening to my presentation today. I hope you enjoyed and learned more about ocean acidification and its potential impacts. I hope you enjoyed.